Namaste. I Xavier Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. In today's session, we will see the physical security of computer, how to protect our computer from unauthorized user, and you can say that unauthorized owner. So what is physical security? Computer physical security is a methodology for safeguarding computer systems and its peripheral and all assets that form this system. It is as important as data protection, which is usually implemented through antivirus, firewall, and anti-spyware software application. Means physical security of computer is also necessary as your non-physical security of computer, which is protected by some software like antivirus, firewall, right? But in physical security we have to take care of its peripheral devices, monitoring, and um, nobody can harm your system, right? So these are the physical security of your system. So how, let us see the software security. That means non-physical security of your computer is your antivirus software, anti-spyware software, and firewall. So what is antivirus software? Antivirus software is a class of program that will prevent, detect, and remediate malware infection on individual computing devices and IT system. And anti-spyware software is scan your computer to detect and remove any spyware it finds. By keeping anti-spyware software running, it can prevent spyware from being installed in the first place. That means a spyware is a kind of a camera. You can say that it is a kind of camera which you can't see directly in your computer, but it is uh, stealing your information, your activities, so that this kind of anti-spyware, that kind of a spyware is harm your personal and your technical life. Okay, so be careful about this. And for prevention for a spyware, we have to install in our system anti-spyware software which can detect the spyware software running program. Firewall is the act of gatekeeper to protect your computer from incoming attacks from the internet by monitoring and filtering data traffic leaving and arriving on your computer. That means firewall is like your gatekeeper, which means it prevent to coming unauthorized website. You can say that whenever unauthorized website is you are accessing, and then firewall will protect your data. It you can't log in that website. So it's a very, because firewall kind of a software, it's a very different types, and each firewall has a different capacity and features which is used by per requirement. Like for organization there is a different kind of firewall, but in our system which is we used where we use the application level of firewall, in which we can't open unauthorized we can't open uh, uh, harmful app. It protect the harmful activities and save our data and our computer. So it's very necessary to protect our data. Okay, physical security involves the use of multiple layers of interdependent system, which includes your access control, that means mechanical access control system, electronic access control system, electronic surveillance means alarm system and sensors, video surveillance and CCTV you can use for protection of physical security. Electronic surveillance means like alarm system can be installed to alert security personnel when unauthorized access is attempted. Alarm system work in tandem with physical barriers, mechanical systems, and security guards, saving to trigger a response when these other forms of security have been breached. In electronic surveillance means a closed circuit switches. You can use the CCTV is to use the you can use the CCTV of video cameras to transmit a signal to a specific place on a limited set of monitors, right? So it is also kind of prevention, right? And access, how to control the access control. So using mechanical access control system includes gates, door and locks. A key control of lock becomes a problem with larger user population and any user turnover. Access control, electronic access control easily manages large user populations, controlling the user life cycles, times, dates and individual access points. Electronic access controls uses computer to solve the limitation of mechanical locks and keys. Okay, so this kind of prevention which we use and protect our computer from physical and non-physical a threat, right? So that's all in this session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. I hope we enjoyed my session. This digital version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.